Good morning, my dear little children. I hope all of you are keeping healthy and fit. Okay, now we are going to the next lesson, and the name of the lesson is Good Night, Tinku. This is the second lesson from your textbook Enlighten Integrated Semester Books. Okay, I remember once I had explained to you about this lesson, right? I had read this lesson once for you, but today I shall explain in detail. Okay, so shall we go now? Right. I'll read the lesson to you, and if you have any doubt, you can ask me in the online class. Okay. Actually, Good Night, Tinku is a comic. You know what a comic is? A comic is a story with a lot of pictures, and the pictures will explain to you the story. Okay, little children like pictures, isn't it? So all the little children like picture stories. So this is also a picture story. Understand? You all will like it. Now I shall explain to you. I shall read the lesson and explain wherever it is necessary. Okay? It was a bright moonlit night. All the animals in the farm were fast asleep, but little Tinku could not sleep. I am not sleepy, Ma. But Ma did not hear him. She was fast asleep. Pa was also asleep. So, it was a bright moonlit night. It was a bright moonlit night. That means the night was what? Actually, the night was shining with bright moonlight. Okay? All the animals in the farm were fast asleep. All the animals were fast asleep. But little Tinku could not sleep. I don't know why little Tinku could not sleep. Sleep was not coming to little Tinku. Her father, her mother, everyone were fast asleep. Only little Tinku could not sleep. Tinku turned left and he turned right. He lay on his tummy. What is tummy, children? Tummy means stomach. Okay? So he lay on his tummy and rolled on his back, but he could not sleep. So you see, Tinku could not get sleep at all. He was rolling on his tummy. He was turning left, he was turning right, but sleep was not coming to little Tinku. Then what happened? So he set off into the night to see what he could find. So he decided to go out. He decided to go out and see what he could find. Tinku saw the moon smiling down at him. He felt very happy. So you see, when Tinku went out of the house, Tinku saw that the bright moon was looking at him and smiling. So you see, Tinku was very happy about it. The night is beautiful. Something flew by and hung upside down on a tree. Now before this, let me ask you children, why did Tinku leave his mother's side and walk away? Can you answer this question? Why did Tinku leave his mother's side and walk away? Okay, you think about it. And in the next online class, I'll ask you the question and you have to answer then. Okay? Now, something flew by and hung upside down on a tree. What is a creature that hangs upside down, children? Can you name them? Yes, they are bats. Bats always hang upside down, isn't it? So something flew by and hung upside down on a tree. What is your name, bird? I am not a bird. I am Bolu the bat. I can see in the night. So you see, the bat says, I am not a bird. I am Bolu the bat. What am I? I am a bat. And what is my name? My name is Bolu. I am Bolu the bat. I can see in the night. So the bat is saying, I have got something special in me. What is that specialty, children? What is the specialty with a bat? Yes, a bat can see at night. Okay. Hi, I am Tinku the lamb. Will you be my friend? Yes, I will. So you see, Tinku is very friendly. Immediately, what did Tinku say? Tinku said, will you be my friend, bat? So the bat was also willing to make friendship with Tinku. Bat said, yes, I will. A few leaves moved in the bushes. Someone was hiding there. So suddenly what happened? A few leaves moved in the bushes. Something moved in the bushes. Someone was hiding there. There was someone who was hiding and listening to the bat and Tinku. Who are you? I am Furry the fox. I walk around at night. Hello, I am Tinku. Will you be my friend? Yes, I will. Two shiny eyes looked at him from a hole under a tree. Who are you? I am Molly the mouse. I search for food at night. So you see, Tinku made friendship with a bat. Tinku again made friendship with Furry the fox. Okay. What did Furry say? Furry said, I walk around at night. That is my job. My job is to walk around at night. Why? Why does Furry walk around at night, children? In search of its food. Okay. So here again, Tinku extends his friendship. He says, will you be my friend? And the fox willingly said, yes, I will. I will be your friend. Now, what happens over here? Two tiny eyes looked at him from a hole under a tree. Under a tree, there was a hole, and two tiny eyes from a hole under a tree were looking at whom? Looking at Tinku the. Who is this Tinku? Tell me. Who is Tinku? Yes, Tinku the lamb. You forgot, children? Tinku is a lamb. So two tiny eyes looked at him from a hole under a tree. Whose eyes are they? Yes, they were the eyes of Molly the mouse. Okay, they were the bright shiny eyes of Molly. Molly, who is this Molly? Molly is a mouse, and the mouse is hiding under a tree in a hole. Okay. So Tinku is asking Molly also, who are you? Molly answers, I am Molly the mouse. I search food at night. Molly also searches food at night. Okay? Searches food at night. Right? My name is Tinku. Will you be my friend? Yes, I will. Tinku heard a sharp sound from the grass. Who is there? I am Carrie the cricket. I chirp when it is dark. So what sound did Tinku hear? Tinku heard a chirpy sound, and it was a sound of a cricket. Okay? I am Tinku. Will you be my friend? Yes, I will. So the cricket also says, yes, I will become your friend. So the cricket also says that yes, I will also become your friend. So you see, Tingu got so many friends. Who are they, my dear children? The first one? Tell me. First one is the bat, right? The second one, Furry the fox. Third one, Molly the mouse. And the fourth one, Carrie the cricket. Yes. Tinku and his friends jumped and rolled and played until Tinku yawned. So Tinku and his friends went on playing until Tinku fell asleep. Yawned means, what is a sign of yawning? Sign of yawning is feeling sleepy. Okay. I am sleepy. I have to go home now. So Tinku says, friends, now I have to go home. I am feeling sleepy. Tinku ran home happily. He snuggled up to Ma. What did Tinku do, my dear children? It snuggled up to Ma. What is the meaning of snuggled? That means going very close to its mother. Okay? And lay down in a comfortable way. Lying down in a comfortable way is the meaning of snuggle. What is the meaning of snuggle? Lying warmly, lying in a comfortable way, lying in a bed or lying somewhere in a comfortable way, very warmly. Understood? So Tinku, he went to his home and he snuggled up to its mother. The night is full of wonderful creatures. So mother is saying, the night is full of wonderful creatures. Okay. The bright round moon shone all night long. The moonlight shone all night long. Okay. And Tinku slept all through the night. And Tinku had a very nice sleep, a very sound sleep beside its mother. Okay, children. So in this lesson, the two difficult words are snuggle. Snuggle means, yes? What is the meaning of snuggle? In this lesson, the meaning they have given is little difficult. You write snuggle means remain warmly in a comfortable position. Remain warmly in a comfortable position. Then creatures. Who are these creatures? Creatures are animals, birds and insects. Okay? So you see, Tinku, when all others were asleep, Tinku could not sleep, so he ventured. He decided to go out of its house, and he made friendship with so many creatures, and they all played a lot. They had a lot of fun, and at last Tinku fell asleep, and Tinku went to its mother and snuggled up to its mother. Okay? So you understood, children? Now learn the meanings of snuggled, snuggled up to and creatures. It is given in the lesson. You can learn like this, or you can learn remain in a comfortable position. Snuggle means remain in a comfortable position, or remain warmly in a place, in a bed or in a chair. Okay? Now there are some more lessons over here. Choose the correct answers. Who could not sleep? Tell me, children, who could not sleep? Tinku or Ma or Pa? Yes, Tinku could not sleep. Now, there are so many activities for you. Let us do them in the online class, children. Okay? So read this comic. Read very nicely. It is a very interesting comic. You will all like it. You will enjoy it. And we'll meet again in the next online class. Okay? So till then, bye.